Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the AI Auto Trader. I'm Mark Miller from Right Line Trading. Welcome aboard. All right, good to see you again, Rue. What's happening? Edward, good morning. Scott, good morning. Marcia, God bless you. Pamprune, good morning. Dr. Hanson, welcome aboard, guys. Can you hear me okay? Let's check out the AI Auto Trader, what we're up to today. Hopefully the markets will cooperate with us. Rue's got the scalper up 750. Rue, we just dropped the scalper. Couldn't make it successful. Help me figure that one out, Rue. I knew that was yours. Drop in your settings if you can figure out how to make that thing profitable. Got the scalper up 750. OBC scalper. Give you guys a little bit of a heads up what you're looking at if first time joining us here with Right Line Trading. This is the AI Auto Trader that we're looking at here today. And give you kind of around the table. Bottom left over here, I've got the Replicanto. It's a trade copier. Over here on the right, it's the NinjaTrader 8 platform. So I'm running, I don't think I upgraded. Let me check the version real quick for you. Ninja just released the 8.14. So I'm still running 8.13 right now. Doing some manual exit there, huh, Rue? That's what the secret sauce is. He's got the trigger. What you got, Rue? What's the question? What you up to? Got a little meltdown here in the NQ. Could be time to jump aboard. Woo! Yeah, baby. I got some lag time here I got to get rid of. Oh, I know what it is too. These NQ8Us are killer on performance. Let me I'm gonna disable some of these. That one. That one. Yeah, the solid line, the solid one here, or the dashed line. Which one do you like better? This one is a 50. The solid one is a 50 EMA, and then the other one is a 15. And I think I've heard it's a EMA of an EMA, so it's a. Oh, you like the solid? Yeah, that 50 is that's a beauty. Do you use that on the BC scalper?
Order submitted.
I got old Steven drone here. I get a good look at her here, see if we can take a couple of good trades, and then see if we can put it to work. That's a beautiful trade right there. So that's the ultimate, call that a bear flag. Took a run at the upside, but it ran out of gas there. Like Rue said, he likes that 50, this solid line. And, you know, it tends to give you direction. It's not always right, but it gives you direction where price is heading. The bigger time frame, the better. Okay, I'll show you where that kind of the backbones there, Rue. If you want to jump in the settings, I'll show you a couple of things here in a second. Looking like a really nice trade setup right here. Beauty. Steven's holding 2 contracts. Why would that be?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, got a couple of the same strategy here, that's why. OES star, let's see what that's up to. Is that in a trade yet? Then our go-to strategy. Ooh, we're upside down, going long. Uh-oh. Doesn't look like a long day right now. Ooh. We're looking for a floor here on the NQ somewhere.
Order filled.
Beautiful trade in here, Steven. Drone. Been my favorite NQ strategy lately. And Rue, this one is the signal C, so this one's exactly like the BC scalper, except no B.
Order filled.
No B, just a C signal. Been my favorite one so far lately. Used to be the haymaker, but I've kind of started liking this one. This one uses this oscillator. It's a stochastic oscillator down here, and whenever we pass through this this 50 along as this 50% line, along as we have the like you mentioned earlier, the 50 and the 15 in agreement,
order filled.
We'll take that long trade there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
We'll put two of the PAs on the ES star, and we'll do 2 of them with the Steven drone. We'll see if we can take a run at one of these and get them
order filled.
Get them up above a little bit higher here. Nice recovery move. Nice solid recovery move right there. Ooh, what a beauty.
Order filled.
Let's go. Time to trade right now. So I'm going to use the Replicanto over here, this trade copier, and jump in the ring here with the ES star.
Order filled.
I'm going to use the ES star drone. So for this Replicanto, you set it up with the instrument up here first, and then you put your leader account, the strategy that we have over here that you want to copy, and then we'll find a couple here that we want to run it on. We'll do the best too, because I try to be a little more conservative with these top ones. So we'll fire up 351 and 347. Look at the ES star and take a look at what the strategy's up to.
Order filled. Order submitted.
So these are the 2 that I'm going to trade on my live account here, are these PA accounts. ES Star drone and the NQ8U Steven drone.
Filled. Order filled.
So the ES Star and the NQ Steven. Oh, Stephen Aldrich. money making machine out there.
Order filled.
Hey, Judy, welcome aboard. Let's go, Judy.
Order submitted.
Hey, Royev.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
no, these are tuned in as best we can. We got them fired
Order
up, man.
filled.
We've been running them for
Order filled.
these specific ones. The CS Star about 3 months. We got 3 months of good data on it. It's in 3 months it's up
Order
about
filled. Order submitted.
probably 20,000. Um, Robert out here in our community. Robert might be joining in. Robert, you out here today? Robert's the one who discovered the strategy, built it, and shared it with us. And he's got some
Order
history on it
filled.
back, I think, till August.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order. Order filled.
Holy moly, Arnold! Way to go,
Order
bro!
filled.
Oh my goodness, 20,000. Let's go. Man, I gotta get my cash account working. I don't even have my other machine running right now. Darn it. Good
Order
job.
filled.
Holy moly, what are you
Order
trading to make
submitted.
that kind of loot?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, I'm up and running on my
Order
other one
submitted.
now. Good job. Thanks for motivating me. Thank you.
Order
I was
filled.
sleeping at the wheel. Oh, cool. Welcome aboard, Roev. Yeah, welcome aboard. So give you kind of a heads up. Sure, yeah, these are
Order filled.
the strategies that you've got today. Just let you know these are it's a full Windows-based
filled.
system, so you can move around the
Order
charts really
submitted.
nice and easy, and rearrange
Order
them.
filled.
We give you all five as we start, just as a starter kit, so you can zero in
Order
on
filled.
the instruments that you like to trade the best. For me, I like to trade the ES and the NQ. They tend to be the hot ones for us. We
Order
do have
submitted.
YM
Order
that
filled.
tends to do pretty good, especially the
Order
1 day
filled.
pass. Um, and once in a while, a
Order
CL
submitted.
and GC will
Order filled.
show some signs of profitability, but I tend to
Order
stick to
filled.
these two. This one's my favorite. Over on the right now.
Order submitted. Order. Order filled. Order filled.
It's down a little bit this morning. Hadn't had a good run yet.
Order. Order
I
submitted.
think it's starting to catch it though. The market's starting to settle down here. I think the market's going to turn around. This is the ES Star, and I tell you, that thing has a weird way of finding out which way the market's going. It can really, it can handle one heck of a drawdown, is what it can handle, and then it just finds its way usually. It's a great strategy to trade if you just want to kind of just let it do its thing throughout the day. Not get active on it. This isn't one that you would want to typically be actively trading, and just let it kind of do its thing and find its way. Over on the right, the NQ, I like to be active with these ones. They're a full contact sport.
Order
The
submitted.
NQ. You have to have a lasso to grab the damn thing. It'll get away. It'll get away from you.
Order submitted.
But that's the excitement, man. This is exciting. This NQ.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Way to go, Rue. Nice pull. That's a chunk of change. 1,600 with the old scalper. Oh, we have an ES scalper now. Michael brought us the ES scalper. Or, yeah, ES scalper. Just released it. In fact, yes, it's here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I want to take a trade. Let me go in and look. So we've got the new strategy here, Rue. You get the update over the weekend. ES scalper.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have no idea why I've got 8:30 to 9.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Wonder why I had that there.
Order submitted.
Oh, geez. What the heck is this? Yeah, obviously, I don't have the right settings in this at all. I don't know what. I have no idea what's. I'll have to table that. Let me delete
Order
those.
filled.
Yeah, release those ES scalper. Boy, what a strategy. Holy moly. Rue, run that on the ES, man. That thing is crushing it. Hey, Loom. Good morning. Thank you. Yeah, which one are you talking about, Loom? The ES scalper? Man, that thing is beautiful. Yeah, you can't keep your 3-0 win ratio up there hanging in the market too long, can you, Rue? All right, here we go. Oh, Steven Drone sniffing it out here. I'm ready to jump in on the action here. Get this one fired up over here. So this Replicanto, you can have a couple of tabs going. So I'm gonna get the NQ here teed up. So it'll take the next trade. And we'll try to we'll just run one account at a time here with this one. Okay, so
Order
run
Order
346.
Order filled.
We'll catch the next run. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one.
Order filled.
We'll jump in on them both next run. So I got this one teed up over here. Yes. I'm gonna take two of them. Next signal, we'll jump in. ES. And the NQ Steven drone. Got it teed up with number 46 here. I'll duplicate the chart so we can watch a SIM account and a PA account side by side. We can see where we get filled. Oh boy, anybody hear about the drama with Apex? Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna have to figure out a plan. I don't want to work with a company that's out to get me. Doesn't feel right. Doesn't feel right. Here we go, and we're going long. We jumped in the ring here, and we're going long. We got the Steven drone Steven Drone, lot of defense up here. Got a heck of a defensive wall we're trying to push through. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. 46 got filled. Where'd it get filled? Oh boy, what a darn run. I got filled at 817.5 and 818. So I got screwed on this one. Took two contracts here. We're running along here on the old Steven Drone. Up a $300 bill now, right now. We're going to push through this. Come on, baby. We're at $700 bill now. Looking for $1,000. And we're pushing. Come on, baby. Run with the wolves. Oh, and we got a $100 bill on that one. Go ahead and drop that one. We'll let the old Steven Drone work its way out over here, and we'll jump in with the other one. And we're in number 352 next.
Order submitted.
I didn't get to pull the trigger in time. We'll catch next trade.
Order filled.
Got a lot of resistance here. We might even let that work its way out. Yeah, Loom, these are Apex accounts. These are the PA version, the ones that you can get paid on. I'm up over the limit on 3 of them. I can get paid on them. I can collect $2 grand on 3 of them right now, each, so $6 grand. Looks like I'm up 13 total. Up here, this is the dashboard for Apex. It's rhythmic. It's actually the same dashboard we're going to have at Right Line Funding when we start our prop firm. We'll have this same exact dashboard. I'm hoping to get Tradeovate, working on the Ninja Trader Tradeovate agreement. So hopefully we'll partner up and run Ninja Trader Tradeovate as well. But we got Rhythmic locked in right now. So we'll have the Rhythmic dashboard right here, same exact dashboard. I just won't be trying to rip you off. That's my goal. I won't rip you off, I promise. Man, I don't know if anybody saw the old rip-off move that they did at Apex. Damn. They got a awesome video on YouTube. I'll try to bring it up. I'll try to drop it in the chat. Futures for our futures, man. Those guys are awesome. I can't believe it. I laugh my ass off every time I watch their stuff. Let me try to drop in that video. I tried playing it for the team today, this morning. We have an 8:30 meeting every morning, operations meeting, and I tried playing it for them, but they couldn't hear it. So I guess if I play it here, you probably won't be able to hear it. But man, if you get a chance, go check it out. It's on YouTube here. Futures for Our Futures is their name. It's a really funny skit. Try to find it here. Futures for Our Futures.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Ooh, what happens? What happens? You with me?
All right. Now let's talk.
So I don't know if you guys can hear this. Maybe someone in the chat can.
And we know there's a
Look
payout
at this
period coming
guy.
up.
So this guy is he's the one who runs the Apex. He's Daryl's. Daryl is the owner, and this guy works for Daryl. This guy's the lead guy when it comes to the accounts and all the activity and trying to make them profitable. But he goes a little bit overboard here, and basically says he's got 50 different ways of making sure that we don't overpay, that they don't overpay their traders, and not even overpay them. A way that he can work out how to potentially not have to pay them, right? at the end of the day. So you just kind of got to watch that video and get to internalize it yourself, and just realize who you're doing business with. So we're out to beat the prop firms, and this is the reason why, because these guys are always trying to beat us. So at the end of the day, it's going to be a fun situation. But this is just a really awesome skit that they did. The first thing was
a few minutes to set this up. And when I connect the dots, you'll see exactly why this scandal is shaking the trading world to its core. Hello, thank you. Welcome to Futures for Our Future. I'm Eric.
And I'm Brian. Let's get to this week's top stories.
Apex is a bunch of dirty bastards. There's no other way to say it. But give me a few minutes to set this up. And when I connect the dots, you'll see exactly why this scandal is shaking the trading world to its core. This is a masterclass in how not to treat your business partners or traders. If you thought prop firms were all about helping you succeed, buckle up, because this story is about to flip everything you thought you knew on its head. And if ever there was a situation that screams 3 strikes and you're out, this is it. Here's the setup. Apex struck a deal with tech genius and former co-owner Leo Riot. Yes, you heard that right. He was one of the original owners of Apex. Leo left the company after Daryl Martin.
Been recording the.
Take my own death?
watch this. This is
I mean,
the
when your
part
first
that
sentence
disturbed
screams,
me.
destroy the evidence, maybe, just maybe, you're the problem.
I have not been recording this Zoom. I know you record everything. Will you stop for a minute?
Please
I know you. You
Stop
record everything.
recording.
Will you stop it for a minute?
stop the fucking recording.
And I'd rather get into the big details of this with you in person,
Woo!
like I did with Dan.
Here he comes.
Like, I have a whole 7-page. So there's 2 different things here. There's yes, people 1st through 5th, 15th through 20th submit requests, and we got to look through them, and that's a
all
lot.
the bullshit.
I've got a lot of things spelled out where we can change some more rules, change some more guidelines, and a shit ton of stuff to add to the PA contract to help with some things.
Whew, thank
But
God.
the whole other side of it, of daily attacking our big 85,000,
That's me. I had the counts in that range at the time. 85,000.
yeah, I hate going even over some of this, Dan,
don't blame you.
online. So might have made a report for this guy named John that could track, hey, you can sort this, and here's everybody on day 8 of their PA, and here's their balance.
Let's fuck
And we know there's a
over.
payout period coming up a few days later. Okay? Well, I want to make sure that these people are following some good rules. So maybe all those people get a particular message that's one of 50 I have laid out of, hey, your PA has been selected to be reviewed. We're going to be monitoring your trades over the next few days, and you need to make sure of this and this and this and that. Ooh, what happens? What happens? You with me?
I'm with
All
you.
right, now
I'm
let's
with
talk
you.
about Apex's response to the
You tell me. What'd you think of that? Oh my goodness. I about fell out of my chair yesterday. I was like, wait a minute. What the heck are they doing over there? They're trying to rip me off. You know what they did to me? I had an account over here, a $50,000 account. I was up 69,000. I was up to 69, so I was up $19,000 in profit, and they rug pulled it. They removed it from my damn dashboard. I came in on Monday, and in my dashboard, the account was gone. That particular one, I wrote them a ticket. Blah blah blah. About 5 days later, I got it back. But I was like, what the fuck? How did my account disappear? Like, it just disappeared. I don't forget about $19,000, So it's questionable. It's questionable what they're up to. After these 4, I'm not going to trade with them anymore. I just can't. I can't stomach it anymore. It's not a good feeling. I started with Tradeify not long ago, so I'll get another few more Tradeify accounts, I think, where I'm heading till Right Line Funding's up and running. Okay, we got some trading to do here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Get old Steven drone here on old 352.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're in on the ES star. OES star must be going long. Here we go, and we're off on the ES star. Let's check out where we got filled at.
Order
351 and 357.
Order filled.
We'll duplicate this window.
Order filled.
Thanks, Dr. Hanson. Appreciate that. We're gonna try our best. Let's take a look at where we got filled at here. 351. Okay, so over on the left we got the ES Star drone. Took a signal B entry.
Order
And we
submitted.
filled at 5841.25. Over here on the PA account, we filled at 5841.25, exactly the same. So we got the same fill on this particular trade. With the ES, you get filled a lot closer, it seems like, than the NQ.
Order submitted.
And I jumped in on the Steven drone. We're in all over the place.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Trying to go long.
Order filled. Order filled.
Filled at 829.75 and
Order submitted.
829.25 and 830 over on the PA account.
Order submitted.
So I separated it. I landed right. It landed right in the middle. The sim account landed right in the middle. That's strange. Uh-oh, we in trouble here. Ouch.
Filled.
Okay, let me drop that one quickly. Ooh. I'll let that one simmer for a minute. Let's see. Why is it taking two contracts here?
Order submitted.
Hey, George, thanks, bud. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, we'll try to keep making money and having fun here. That's the goal.
Order
Make some money and have some fun. Love for you guys to make some money with me. Come on. I just took a hit right here.
Order filled.
Okay, looking for a little recovery here on the NQ and the ES. Had a nice little smiley face this morning. Take a look at a little bit of the broader market.
Order filled.
Looking at an 8 Unarenko chart here. A little bit of trouble on the ES star here. Sheesh. Boom, looks like the 2-minute 1-day pass went off on us. That thing made some good money this morning. NQ 2-minute retirement plan. Another good one. Got a 20U. And there's the star from this morning. We're down 525 on our trade right there that we're in. See where those ESs are at. Sorry about that. So we got the ES star drone on the left and the PA count, one of them that's tracking this one. Take the same trades. ES is trying to do a smiley face for us here today.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, way to go, Marcia. Snatched a $600 bill out of the market.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Hope we find a floor here on the ES.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't know if anyone's trading on TradingView or not. We're using NinjaTrader here. I haven't used any other software, so I'm not sure how they work.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like we're in a little bit of trouble here. Got the market rolling over again on us. That's a big rollover here. This one might go all the way.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, we exited on line change on the ES trade. So we didn't take the full loser, but we got a big nugget of loser.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Teed up old Steven here one more time for 352.
Order
I'll give
filled.
one more run at it. If I take a loser, I'll be done for that one for the day. Actually, I should probably not do that. I'll save it for tomorrow. I'll save them all for tomorrow. Gotta live to fight another day. That's the game that we play.
Order submitted.
Let's go check out the broader markets and see what's happening out here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Damn thing. Old Miami Beach looking like it's 75 and partly sunny today. A beautiful day here. All right, where are we going? How come it's not showing me my stuff, my watch list? Here we go. Oh, Nvidia's down. Oh, looky here. Back down to 130. This might be time to get back in here soon, Nvidia. Darn it, big board here. E-mini. We'll take a look at the long-term trends looking good. That's the 1-year chart. We're taking it on the chin for the last 5 days, though. We are taking it on the chin. Ooh, 401k is taking a pounding. Time to reset. Time to throw back in a little bit more money and do a DCA on it. So there's the NQ for the last 5 days. Trying to find a floor down here. Sure would be nice. There's a month. Like we're about a low for a month. There's the 3-month. Here's the E-mini. The S&P. This is today. So we took that leg up right there. Might recover. Sure would be nice. Whew.
Order filled.
Hey Christian, we're Right Line Trading. You can check us out on the web at rightlinetrading.com.
Order submitted.
Type in our email address. Usually you can hit more in the comment section, and we've got a few links down there that you can click on, get some more information. Got a good group of members here. Here's our Discord. We've got 211 online right now. Awesome. Drop this in. Ooh, thank you. Brent, thank you, bud. Appreciate the fist pound, man. Here we go. General chat, daily results.
Order filled.
Friday. That's what the machines look like on Friday. So this was the, just so everybody knows, we run them in sim for, probably a couple months, whatever. We get some good data on them, and then we release them to the rest of the community once we feel comfortable with the results. This one, though, is the ES scalper. This was the ES scalper on Rory's machine on Friday, so had a heck of a day. The ES star had a heck of a day on his machine on Friday. So that was those are the results from Friday. We
Order filled.
like I mentioned, we released some new strategies on Friday. That was one.
Order submitted.
Actually, I think that was the we released an MES, first time ever released a micro, which is awesome for the AI Auto Trader. Other software we've released micros before, but trying to find a PA that we can really rely on. So
Order filled.
the MES is going to be the goal for the PA accounts. To just try to nudge them along with a couple $100, $300 a day is the goal. So if we just kind of track the ES star, again, if they do take trades almost identical, then this would have been, in this case, instead of $800, it would have been we set it up with 2 contracts, I think. So it wouldn't have been 80; it would have been $160 potentially. So that's kind of what we were thinking, is trying to get us in a position where you can take some good trades on the MES, and you can take a lot of heat, right? In these PA accounts, you really want to be able to take a lot of heat. So to do that, getting into the micro range is probably a really good idea. I think it's a great strategy. See, I don't have the patience, okay? So please don't follow the way I trade. I don't have the patience. But if I did, I think that would be an awesome strategy, is to set 20 accounts up trading the MES. That to me is probably the winning strategy. But it's a patience game. It's a patience game. Most of trading is not the strategy. It's the mental strategy. That's the bigger part of trading. That is the real solution. If you can get that one figured out, you're lucky. You're lucky. Oh, Rue, I was going to show you the way you can mess with that scalper. Let me show you. I think through Discord's probably the best way. In our Discord, we have the software and all the settings for all these bots. And inside this spreadsheet here, master settings, yes. This is the settings for all the strategies. And yeah, Rue, like I mentioned, we pulled it out of here, but it's really the same settings as this one, except trading a different instrument, which is really phenomenal. the same settings work for a different instrument. That blows my mind, but it does. Anyway, if you wanted to mess with that 50 filter, Rue, and you probably know this by now, but right in this area. If you add the 50 as yes, you can then mess with the colors. So you can, that pull down right after you pick yes, you can change it to different selections. So if you want it to be like red, green, red, yellow, only red, only green. So if you only want to go up or down, only take longs or shorts. So has all that options in there that you can mess with and try to find that sweet spot for you. Right here, Rue, I'll go in this and check it out. Here's the strategy settings, like now. So inside of here, where the signals are, so that one's running B and C. Again, Steven drone is only running C, so I've only got that one selected, but for the scalper, we have both of them. And I was going to mention that on the scalper, if you wanted to, mess around with the The 50 is right here. So the big solid line is what we call the 50. So that might be what you're thinking. The solid one that turns from red, yellow, green. That is the 50 criteria here.
Order
So
submitted.
if you click that one, the 15 is this dashed one, the one that stays really close to price. So you can kind of go into those, and if you find that we're taking trades that are losers, you can try to filter them out.
Order filled.
Rue, one of the, in my opinion, maybe the best part of this software is the cross indicator. And you can reverse engineer success. What I mean by that is, like right here, we got a beautiful move, right, to the downside. But you can tell it doesn't agree with the 50. The 50 is green, the 15 is green. But let's say we wanted to take that, counter trend trade there. We can mess with these crosses by double clicking on them.
Order filled.
And it brings open the basic structure of a strategy. So you can basically build your strategy over here by where the crosses end up coming on the chart when you hit apply over here. So you can, so for example, I know with this, as soon as signal A comes down, we can catch a cross right here if we wanted, by putting these, this check mark here where I want signal A. And I don't want to have any filter, so I don't want it to agree with the 50 in this case. I'm just doing an example. But to say, for example, I wanted to take that trade there in the future, that was my perfect setup, you can use these filters to manage that. So if I hit apply now, I should get a cross, wherever signal A would have landed at. You can see it right here now. Signal A, that's where signal A would take the trade. So if I like those setups all the time, I would, click signal A, and now you can add filters in here. Say, boom, I don't want to take when the 50's in disagreement. So I go right here to the 50, I click it, and I can say only put the cross on there if it's agreeing with the 50. So it will only take a long trade if it's green, and it'll only take a short trade if it's red. So if I click that, it's going to get rid of that cross. So now when it updated, that cross is gone, so that's not an entry now. It's not a valid entry because that filter kicked it from the bus. So that's kind of the way you can reverse engineer. I'll call it success, right? If you got a perfect trade setup that you love, you can, dial it in here and then create the strategy. Again, it's the exact same settings in that cross indicator that are in this strategy down here that actually runs to an account. So that's the beautiful thing behind this software, is being able to add that cross and be able to use that as your reference point for trades that would have taken place. To know if you would have been successful or not, but then the ultimate price is running them and seeing where the real results lie, right? So that's what we do every day. But to get to a new trade setup, it's really, really user friendly. So what we do when we're trading like this Steven drone, for example, I'll match my crosses up to the strategy so that the cross pops on the chart, and it's just for me personally. It's not going to do anything for the strategy, but it just gives me an indication that it's going to take a trade. So here I don't have signal A or B, it's a signal C, and these are the settings that we have in here. We're only looking at the 50 above or below price, and the 15 above or below price. So those are the two filters that we're using along with this stochastic oscillator. And I might be saying that word wrong. It's a strange word. But this oscillator down here, and we're not using signal D. So as soon as a cross pops on, that means that it's typically in the perfect. The data is all aligned for a trade setup. So there was a short entry right there. Steven here, NQ Steven drone.
Order submitted.
All right, nice move to the upside there. We needed that. We don't want to bust through this floor down here. That'd be bad business for us today.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh man, you have to actually put it on paper. 780,000. If you could just be patient. Oh man, what a proposition! It's a proposition from Hackman. Woo. I hope someone else has the willpower to do it. That's all I'm hoping. It ain't me. It is not me.
Order submitted.
I see a shiny object and I'm on it. I'm on it, heading that way as fast as I can. Boy, this one's trading like a maniac here. It's up 1,000. Making some good trades to still be alive here. Could be a good candidate for me.
Order filled.
Okay, the yes star's going short here.
Order filled.
Way to go, Marcia. Boom. Nice pull. That's a big trade. How many contracts you trading there, Marcia, at a time? That's a nice run. $600 trade. Those 120 tick runners.
Order filled.
10 manually. Oh boy. Wow. Good for you. Rue's proud. You just made Rue's day, Marcia. He's grinning from ear to ear. He's so proud of you. Rue taught us all that. That's funny. Oh man. That's a lot of contracts. Oh my goodness. On the NQ? Whoo-wee, Marcia. Oh man, that goes quick.
Order filled.
Oh shoot. You made my day too. When I had the $300,000 accounts, I was trading like 10, even 20 contracts. That was fun. Holy moly. Getting $20,000 in a day, that's a big run. Oh yeah, now I know what you're doing then. Getting over the line.
Order filled.
Okay, ES is kind of just fluttering a little bit here with some wings. It looks like not making any real move. Hope it kind of just settles down, gets a floor established, and then moves. So I did get my my live account running up above when I was mentioning earlier that oh, I forgot who it was. Oh, here it is. Oh, I'm down. I didn't know I was down already. I'm up on this trade. Something right there. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
Hmm. So I've got another NinjaTrader 8 platform running right above this computer. Oh, here, let me get the. Oh yeah, it's working. Another computer, right above this computer, and it's running my live account here. So I'm in a couple of trades, I think. Here, I just won.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Popped in on another one. Going long. Come on. Let's all go long. Come on, pour some gasoline on it. Let's go.
Order submitted.
Way to go, Marcia. Snuck in on the ES here even. Whee! And we're off.
Order filled.
Oh boy, look at this bot going off here. Ooh, NQ 30 range ABC bot going off.
Order filled.
Nice move on the live account. Moved it into profit zone here. Down low. Down on this trade. Here we go. Uh-oh. Underwater on the NQ. I'm running big time. Ooh, come on. Easy does it. Easy does it. I'm long on this one. Uh-oh. I'm getting pinched out here. That's a big pinch too. That thing's a whopper. Holy crap. Oh boy. I'm in trouble on that one. Woo-wee. Ah, ain't no good. That trade's gone. Damn. That one's gonna hurt. That one's gonna hurt. Eesh. Damn. Come on. Oh, this one in trouble. Sheesh. Oh, okay. Stop the bleeding. Thank you. Okay. There we go. We got the star bot. Boy, look at that. ABC. Man, that thing was rolling. Had a beautiful runner behind it. First target, naked runner. What a beautiful trade. Thing's up 1,400 bucks.
Order submitted.
So here we're running the ES Star. This is our most successful strategy that we have at Right Line Trading. This one's the winner, winner chicken dinner as they call them. The data supports it. This one's been consistent for about 3 months, 4 months since it was developed. Somehow, some way, finds a way to win some money. Won't win every day. Doesn't win every day. All right, got a nice trade here. Nice trade on the live account. Moved us back to even.
Order filled.
Going long. Everything in the kitchen sink going long here. So down here on this computer, I trade with prop accounts. So this over here is some Apex Trader funding accounts. And then over here on the bottom left, I just bring open basically Internet Explorer and log into my Ninja Trader 8 account, and then I can see my balance of this account. This is a live account here, Ninja Trader 8 brokerage.
Order submitted.
So right now I'm in a trade, up about 400. Having a nice move to the upside right now. I'm holding some. I'm holding 5 MES and 5 MNQs. Going long. I'm trading the NQ Steven drone up there, and we're developing new software, and it runs on the kinetic data feed, and I'm running that strategy, and I'm running the ES Star. So I've got those three strategies enabled and running on that live account. Same ones I traded down here today. I hit a dinger on Steven, then got stung on the Star one time, and got stung on Steven one time. And we're going long. Everybody in the kitchen sink's going long, baby. Come on, go to the house. Let's go. Take a quick break. That's what you can do when you're an auto trader. You can take a quick break. Can't do that manually. That's hard to do manually. Woo! Don't want the big dog to get away.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, we're rolling. We are absolutely rolling now. Come on. Making money and having fun here. Ooh, come on, baby. Run her to the upside for us. Run her one time to the upside. Let's make some money today. I got a $300 bill down here. Holding a $500 trade. Looking good. Come on. A little bit of lag time here on this screen on the NQ. Woo. Welcome back. Awesome. Got a decent trade here. $400 bill. 3 in the tank. Coming back on me. Trying to go long.
Order filled.
Holding 10 contracts on the M and Q.
Order submitted.
There we go. Nice push up. Woo! Nice. Popped up to the, got a stop popped in there. Good to go. We're good to go. Let's go. Let's go. Make money. Have some fun. Come on. Everybody making money today. Way to go, Marcia. Wow. That's a darn nugget. I'm in the ES Star trade still there on the live account. Pulled in a little nug. Coming back on us. Sealed in a little profit on that trade that's coming back on me on the other one. All right, it's coming back. Want to hold 850 here, 20,850 on the NQ. Settling in on 850.
Order
Gonna push
filled.
through the 830s, it looks like. Give back a little bit. Move a little bit over to profit. Put me in a $700 bill.
Order submitted.
Boy, when you guys see this new software trade, you're gonna crap. It trades 2 contracts and it can run up $4,000 in one day like nothing. Now I can lose 4,000 too. That's the problem. Got some good equity curves built
Order
though.
filled.
Talking to Sergio yesterday, or not yesterday, Friday, asking him, okay, so what exactly, what exactly does the new software do? How do we, all the ins and outs of it? And he gave me the 2-second tour. So it looks at advanced, declining ratios, and I need to go to ChatGPT and ask it some questions because I have no idea what that is. But it looks at advanced declining ratios, and it looks at volume uptick and volume downtick for the 5 indexes. So that's the secret sauce. A lot of information inside of there. So we look at those three things for each index. So we got 15 different, basically, lines is what we call them, because you're looking for each one to be, you know, all red or all green, everything in alignment, you know, downtick plus the declining ratios are red, you know, both of them red, boom, you're in. You know, that means that the evidence is clear that we're heading that way. So that's the leading indicator we're looking towards. Okay, I got 777s on the live account today down here. Did you guys check that out? 777s, how about that? Let's go! Lucky sevens! That's awesome. That's my lucky number for the day. You see, Robert, you already got me. Oh, AD, I assume is advanced declining. Where does it pull it from? Kinetic. Kinetic, yeah. I do have to be subscribed to it. It's $100. I don't know. I always call it $100 a month. I really don't even know how much it is. I think it's like between 70 and 100 is my guess. I always call it 100 when it's close.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, so we got David Wise coming up in a few minutes here. He'll be jumping on the line here with his SPY Super System, showing some of the trades that he's calling there for options. If anybody likes to trade options or wants to sort of step into the ring here, we give away a free 2-week trial of his trades. I call that opportunity knock, and get yourself in there and try it out for a couple of days. Just kind of paper trade them, see what they look like, see what kind of movement that he's calling. Got a lot of people subscribed to his service. Over 350. He's got over 350 members that we send text messages to. That's a heavy load. That's a lot of people that rely on his information. Really does a great job. Hard to hold that all together because time has to elapse. You know, there's not much time in futures. It's pretty much done and over. Options, you have to sweat bullets, take those things. So, but the reward is great. That's the beauty behind it. It's the super leverage machine. It's another way to jump into the ring. Okay, things slowed down now. And a nice push to the upside. Kind of caught everybody flat-footed here. Nobody wants to make a move now. You know, if you're going to go short, you're going to get smoked. Okay, yeah, no, it'll run it. It'll run it for sure. Sergio's still got a little bit more. I'll have it on my machine. He's hoping for the end of the week. So I'm hoping to be trading it here. I'm trading it on the other machine, but it doesn't have all the bells and whistles. It's the raw. It's raw still, and it's still waiting for all the bells and whistles. So I'm excited to take that for a spin when he gets it to me. You know, it's still the old version, so you can't see the stops, and you know, it's missing a few of the features that I love. The yeah, the ones that I love is having, you know, a profit target window, you know, being able to move your stop really 3 times through the trade. That's a that's a really good risk management strategy. So I can't quite get that done on that one yet, but it won't be long. All right, great. Hey, thanks a lot for joining me today, everybody. Really appreciated having the chance to show the AI Auto Trader what it's doing for me and what it's doing for you guys as well. So thanks again for putting all the information in Discord and in the chat here and supporting RLT, who supports you guys as well. So thank you. Everybody have a great day. Good luck in trading. Bye, guys.